Hey, space enthusiasts, today I'm diving into the mind-blowing distances between the planets in our solar system. Buckle up because it's going to be a cosmic ride. First off, let's talk about the units. One astronomical unit, or AU, is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. That's about 149.6 million kilometers, or 93 million miles. Now let's explore how far apart our planetary neighbors really are, starting with Mercury and Venus. On average, they're separated by 0.34 AU. That's roughly 50 million kilometers. Imagine trying to drive that distance. It'd take you over 1,400 years at highway speeds. Next up, Venus to Earth. These two planets are about 0.28 AU, or 42 million kilometers apart. That's like traveling around the Earth over 1,000 times. Pretty wild, right? Now, from Earth to Mars, our closest planetary neighbor. The average distance is 0.52 AU, around 78 million kilometers. This is the journey our rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have made. It's a long haul, but totally worth it for science. Here's where things start to get really crazy. The distance from Mars to Jupiter, a whopping 3.68 AU, that's about 550 million kilometers. Jupiter is the king of the planets for a reason. It's way out there. Moving further, we have the distance from Jupiter to Saturn, 4.32 AU, or around 646 million kilometers. These two gas giants are like distant siblings in the cosmic family. Now, brace yourself for the distances to the ice giants. Saturn to Uranus is about 11.49 AU. That's a staggering 1.72 billion kilometers. Imagine trying to wrap your head around those numbers. And finally, Uranus to Neptune. These two distant giants are 10.74 AU apart, or around 1.61 billion kilometers. It's almost incomprehensible how vast our solar system is. Let's sum this up. Here's a quick recap of the average distances in astronomical units and kilometers. Planet pair distance, AU distance, km. Mercury to Venus. 0.34 AU, approximately 50 million km Venus to Earth, 0.28 AU, approximately 42 million km Earth to Mars, 0.52 AU, approximately 78 million km Mars to Jupiter, 3.68 AU, approximately 550 million km Jupiter to Saturn, 4.32 AU, approximately 646 million km Saturn to Uranus, 11.49 AU, approximately 1.72 billion kilometers, Uranus to Neptune, 10.74 AU, approximately 1.61 billion kilometers. Remember, these distances are averages. Thanks to the elliptical orbits of the planets, these numbers can vary quite a bit. But having these averages gives us a solid grasp of just how vast our solar system is. Understanding these distances is crucial for space navigation and planning missions to other planets. So next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate just how far those twinkling dots really are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cosmic content.